What's going on, you guys? Alex Cato here with Low Key Media. Today I'm going to show you guys how to play Come Back to Earth by Mac Miller. There are a lot of different bar chords in this song, so I'm not going to waste time. So we're going to start off in the C major 7. This is going to be on the 3rd fret. So what we're going to do is we're going to just raise our middle finger, turning that C major 7 into a C major chord. And the good news about bar chords is that the fingering is going to be the same for a lot of different chords in different positions. So on the next chord, it's going to be the same chord that we just played, that C major 7, but we're going to go up onto the 8th fret. So far it's going to be this. This is going to be an F major 7, and from here, we're going to just drop 1 fret, and we're going to make a chord that's very similar to a barred off C chord. So I'm going to show you guys the fingering for all those chords right now. So the second time we're playing that through, we're going to do the same exact thing up until the very last chord. So it's going to go like this. My regrets look just like texts I shouldn't send. And I got neighbors look more like strangers, we could be friends. So from here we're going to play an E major 7, which is just going to be an A chord, but without the middle. So this is what we have so far. My regrets look just like texts I shouldn't send. And I got neighbors look more like strangers, we should be friends. I just need a way out. So from there we're going to go over to the barred off B chord. So it's not too hard of a chord to play. You're just going to bar off the 5th fret. You're going to put your ring finger down on the 2nd fret of the A string. And so from here we're going to play a D major. I just call this a staircase chord. What you're going to do is you're going to go to the 7th fret, and you're just going to staircase down 1 string and 1 fret down from the high E string. So what you're doing is you're going to want to bring your pinky up to the B string on the 3rd fret to play a little bit of that melody. It should sound like this. So we're going to go from that A to the barred off B, and then we're going to play that staircase chord. So I'm going to show you guys the whole thing so far. Alright, so I know that chord's kind of hard, so stick with it. I know it's going to take some practice, but just go ahead and work on the transitions, and eventually you guys will get it. So that's it for the chorus, and now I'm going to show you guys how to play the first verse, and we're going to go ahead and go back to the first C major 7. My own way, it feel like living some alternate reality. A lot of the chords from this song are the same, so we're going to go back up to those F chord and that E chord. So it's going to sound like this. So this is going to be the fingering for what we have so far, including the chorus from the beginning. So the last 2 chords are going to be an E barred chord, which is going to be on the 6th fret. We're going to be doing an A chord. And if it makes it easier, you can bar it off with 2 fingers. And then we're going to go ahead and go down and play just a standard G chord. waters to release, to all the things I do, just to spend a little time in hell. So this is what the whole thing's gonna look like from start to finish. My regrets look more like texts I shouldn't send. I got neighbors, looks more like strangers, we should be friends. I just need a way out my head, anything for a way out my head. My way, feel like living some alternate reality. I was drowning, now I'm swimming. Stressful waters to release, for all the things I do, just to spend a little time in hell. But what I won't tell